Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another class. I am Shopna Akhtar. Have come here once again before you. How are you all? I hope all of you safe and secure. I am also fine. Dear learners, in our previous classes, we learned how to change person, time and place, and changing of verb. Today, we will discuss the fundamental rules of narration. Dear learners, narration, it is very easy and interesting part of grammar. So, don't worry. I will help you and you will also help me to make the class easy and comfortable. So, let's start the class. Look at the board. Ruma says, I am ill. I am ill. Second, Rahat has said, I have done the word. I have done the word. Third, you will say, he writes a letter. Dear learners, you should note that if repeating verb is present tense or future tense, the tense of the repeated speech will not be changed. Here, Ruma says, this part is repeating speech. And I am ill. Here including part of inverted comma is repeated speech. You notice, Ruma says, here repeating verb is present tense. So, the tense of the repeated speech will not be changed. Ruma says, here including part, here instead of inverted comma we will use conjunction that. Ruma says that now I is first person. I is first person. First person follow subject or speaker. Here subject Ruma. Now calculated case. I is nominative case. I is nominative case. So Ruma replace I with its nominative case. Ruma nominative case and pronoun she. She. She is ill. Ruma says that she is ill. Now second, Rahat has said, I have done the word. Rahat has said. Instead of inverted comma, we will use conjunction that. Rahat has said that now I, person, changing of person. I is first person. I is first person. First person will be changed according to the subject or speaker. Here Rahat speaker. Now calculated case. I is nominative case. So Rahat replace I with its nominative case. So he has done the word. Now third, you will say here repeating verb will future tense. So you will say, instead of inverted comma we will use conjunction that. You will say that now he is third person. He is third person. Third person has no change. He writes a letter. Dear learners, look again. Ruma says, I am ill. Ruma says that she is ill. Second, Rahat has said, I have done the work. Rahat has said that he has done the work. Third, you will say he writes a letter. You will say that he writes a letter. Dear learners, no more today. See you again. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum.